Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, you know me, my name is Ruchika and I'm a German language teacher. Well, today through this video, I want to tell you a little bit about my self-paced recorded courses. Before I tell you how it works, let me tell you how I came to the idea of self-paced recorded courses. I started learning German in 2009. I completed my Bachelor's of German, BA German from Pune University in 2014. Then I completed my C1 certification from Goethe parallelly. I was doing it both parallelly. But the way I have learned the language is by consuming it in a live class because that time only live class, physical classrooms were there, no? They existed. Later on, then in 2023, I started thinking of having my own institute. And that time I started taking the classes. I used to record each and every session, but not every day every student can attend now. Sometimes they used to take a gap because of illness, personal reasons, or vacations, etc. But I used to tell them, keep first of all complete the recordings and then come to the class so you'll be able to understand what is going on. And for 2 3 students this happened that they completely switched to the recorded mode. They said कि recorded तो इतना अच्छा है कि हम we are able to cover because we have our personal life as well, we work in shifts as well, but whatever you're teaching in the live class which we are watching through recordings, we are able to cover it, we're able to understand it same way, there is no difference at all. So that made me think that should I make this available as a self-paced recorded course as well for the students who need little affordability and flexibility. I started experimenting with it. First of all, I gave it to only a few students to give it a try. And then the feedback was so excellent that I thought to make it as a official self-paced recorded course. Who should ideally go for self-paced recorded courses? Now understand this that because German language skill is a sought after skill right now, any good institute that has a structured way of teaching you German charges between 10,000 to 15,000 just for A1. And we also charge on the similar line. I'll be very honest with you. But if you're somebody who is looking for a budget friendly option, then the self paced recorded courses will be an ideal option for you. Talking about the results, how effective is this? There are two things. कि मेरे side से I'm doing everything, I'm giving you the entire support, but you need to be self disciplined as well. If it is not in you, if you are somebody who is just going to buy something on a whim and just not utilize it at all, do not go for self paced recorded courses. Go for live because live में फिर वो everyday push रहेगा, so you will learn that way. But if you're a self disciplined person and you're looking for a budget friendly option, you do not mind putting extra effort, a little bit more effort from your side, then go for self paced recorded courses. Otherwise, ये सब recordings, it will just sit in your drive and you will not open them at all. And after 1.5 years, 1 year, when the access is over, then you will say, अरे नहीं किया और थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दो access. I do give extension and access for 1-2 months, but you have to be self disciplined for this, compulsory. Now, although this is self-paced recorded courses, it is more like a hybrid course wherein you get the entire support. The content of self-paced is exactly same as live, so difference is the way you learn. For A1, I have about 90 hours of recordings ready. For these are all recordings of my previous courses. So you see the entire interaction between me and my students. Everything you see. For A1, we have 90 hours of recordings. For A2, we have 70 hours of recordings. For B1, we have 92 hours of recordings ready. So if you go for A1 to B1, we have about 250 hours of recording. B2's course is not yet ready. अभी वो चल रहा है उसका preparation मेरा. So once it is ready, I will make it as available as well. So you have to complete all the recordings by yourself. After every chapter, you have to submit test. There is something called capital test, which is a chapter test that you have to complete and send. For A1, we have 12 chapters, 12 chapter test. For A2, same. B1 also same. So for A1, A2, B1, we have about 36 chapter test. For A1, you have to do 2 class presentations. For A2 also 2, and for B1 we have 5 class presentations. Exam preparation of Goethe Telk, it is a part of the course, so you will also see those recordings. Twice in a week, I send you some text in the group, which you can read and record it in your own voice and send it to me for checking. I keep on giving the translation homework, letter writing homework, some writing homework for you for all the self-paced recorded courses students. You have to do the same thing. Then every Saturday we have a doubt session. Every Wednesday we have a spoken German club, wherein all of my students come together to speak in German. We have students from live class from A1 to B2 as well as the self-paced. This is an additional effort from my side to bring everybody together and to have contacts which will help you to meet students from different backgrounds as well, and to help you, the main reason is to help you have the confidence in speaking German, because sometimes we cannot relate to the topics, the vocabulary that is given in our books now. So it is an attempt to take you outside the books and to help you speak spontaneously. So it is up to you whether you want to attend or not. And there are a lot of students who have completed their certifications, international certifications as well, through self-paced recorded courses. So I know for sure it is 100% effective. You can just go to Google and type Language the Foreign Language Institute, go through the reviews and see it for yourself. Now this is how it goes. There are plenty of demos that I've uploaded on YouTube. You can just go. The links you will find in the description. Then there are demos, there are videos for doubt sessions as well. There are videos for our spoken German class as well. Go through my website as well, see what are the current prices. And once you decide to commit to this process, you can just contact me. My details are also given in the caption or the description of this video. And the excellent thing about self-paced recorded courses is that anytime you feel that it is not working for you, you can just pay the difference and then switch to a live class. So I give that a possibility to everyone. But let me tell you one thing, guys, that language learning takes a lot of time. I am learning German since 2009 and Chinese since 2017, I guess. 2017-18 I started first of all with Chinese. It takes a while. वो ब्रेन को वैसे रीवायर करने में भी टाइम लगता है. समटाइम्स वी फॉरगेट, समटाइम्स हमको सब याद होता है बट ऑन द स्पॉट वी फॉरगेट. तो the only key is to have a lot of exposure. The classes that I have, they are excellent anyway because I know that I'm a good teacher. Students have given me that feedback as well. But आपका contribution also matters, ना? Your dedication, your effort also matters. Consistency, in short. तो आपको बहुत सारा मटेरियल कंज्यूम करना है. यू हैव टू लिसन टू अ लॉट ऑफ सॉन्ग्स, यू हैव टू वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ मूवीज, और at least follow what the instructions that I'm giving you. I come up with a lot of different events as well to help you learn the language, tricks as well, presentations, this, that, worksheets. I'm developing my own quizzes as well. तो आपको वो immersion बहुत important है. Okay, so make sure you do that, and now go through all the demos, and if you would like to be a part of this, send me a message. I hope to see you in the class. Bye-bye.